Hi Muluko, it was nice to see your face for like 5 minutes. Okay, we're struggling with connection today, so we're gonna have to do it on a video. Okay, we know that the letter A makes 3 sounds. The first sound is A for apple, ant, and X. In these 3 words, the letter A makes the same sound, A. We have covered 16 words with the A sound for the letter A. Just to recap them, let us go over them once. Cat, cat. Mat, mat. Hat. Bat, bat. Rat. Cap. Map. Tap. Fat. Hand. Sad. Jam. Bag. Man. Ran. And the last one, pan. I fry my egg in a frying pan. All right, so that covers the A sound for the letter A. And then we also learned that another sound that can be made by the letter A is A. And when it sounds like A, it has a smiley face going from the letter A to the letter P, always separated by a letter in between. So why do we call it a smiley face? Because you can see a smiley face from the A to the E, showing you that the A and the E are working together to change the A sound to the A sound. And why a smiley face? There's your smiley face, but because they will always be separated by another letter in between, there's the nose for your smiley face to show you that the letter in between is always making a sound by itself. That's why it gets the dot, and the dot is the nose for the smiley face. So here are your eyes, here is your nose, and there is your smiley face. So when it has the smiley face, it sounds like the name of the letter. The name of the letter is A. So now we know that the letter A can sound like A, and it can also sound like A. But before we get on to sound number 3, let us go and look at 16 words with the A sound for the letter A. So these ones you're going to write down for me. This was going to be our lesson for today. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you through all of the sounds for all 16 words, and then you are going to write them down for me. You are going to code them for me and color code them exactly in the way that I have done. Okay, so let us go through word number 1. Remember, there are your eyes, here is your nose, and this is your smiley face. Here is our smiley face. Okay, word number 1. Bake. Bake. My granny likes to bake. Number 2. Cake. My granny likes to bake a cake. Number 3. Take. take. Please don't take my cake away. Number 4. Make. If you don't take my cake away, I'll ask my granny to make you your own cake. If you don't take my cake away, I'll ask my granny to make you your own. Number 5. Snake. A snake is a very scary reptile. Number 6. Cape. Superman wears a cape. Number 7. Lake. I am going to have a picnic with my friends at the lake. Okay? Number 8. Blade. Do not touch that blade. It is too sharp and it is dangerous. Blade. Number 9. Same. My brother's name is Thabo and your brother's name is also Thabo. So my brother and your brother have the same name. Same. Number 10. Game. Please, will you play a game of PlayStation with me? Game. Number 11. Flame. A flame is another word for fire. Flame. Okay? Number 12. Race. I'm going to practice so hard for my race because I want to win the race and be number 1. Race. Before we carry on from the word race, I want you to remember that the letter C can make 2 different sounds. It can sound like S, which is the way that it sounds in the word race. So it can sound like S for circle, and it can sound like K for cat. Okay? So we have 2 different sounds that can be made by the letter C by itself. Okay? Number 13. Cave. I hope I never get lost in the forest and then have to live in a cave. Number 14. Cane. A cane is a type of a stick. So elderly people sometimes use a cane to help them walk. Cane. My granny does not need to walk with a cane yet. Okay. Number 15. Ate. I ate a very large breakfast this morning. Ate. Number 16. Gate. It is important to make sure that you lock the gate before you go to bed at night so that criminals don't come into your house, or at least they find it difficult. All right, so you'll write these 16 words for me, and then you will send me a picture when you're done And then tomorrow we will get on to